G'day guys, it's Tim here. Just not long ago arrived in Melbourne. Got an event here tonight that I'm speaking at, and I started to get really nervous on the plane. So I thought I'd go for a bit of a walk and clear my head, and I thought, why not? It's all going to be on show for people tonight, might as well share with other people, I guess, what's going through my head. So like I said, I'm really nervous, you know what I mean? I guess, you know, I've spoken to audiences of up to 15,000 people, you know, in terms of what we do with Infinite Wealth. But, you know, this is something else. I mean, this is, you know, it's over 3 nights. I have no idea what size the audience is, but I imagine it's hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people. And I think probably the main reason why I'm so nervous is because, you know, it's an experience that just impacted me, you know, so deeply and so profoundly, and I think the thing is for me that I'm really worried about whether I did a good job, you know, whether I, you know, especially with the people I met, like Bellatrix and Adam, and, you know, I just hope that I did them justice, I guess. You know, I know a lot of people think that I've seen it. I haven't. You know, I know there's been a lot of press packs sent out to journos, and they've seen it and they've made some comments, you know, while I've been being interviewed. But I have no idea what's going to get shown. I have no idea how it's going to get edited. You know, so that's probably a little bit on my mind as well. But yeah, I think, you know, like I said, just primarily for me, it was a really tough experience. I guess that it would be a tough experience going into it. And it's funny, I'm walking around similar kind of streets to, you know, it was almost a year ago now that I was actually doing this. So, and it, you know, it was also, I think, it had me be very vulnerable as well. You know, I mean, it was physically very difficult. I mean, it being so cold, having to carry all your gear around everywhere, you know, sleep on cardboard and concrete and things like that. So, you know, that physical toughness plus, you know, combined with the mental side of it as well. You know, not having a watch, not knowing what time it is, you know, having to find places to eat, having to, you know, not having a shower for 5 days or something along those lines. But then, you know, I guess you get quite exposed by those two things, and then meeting, you know, the incredible people that I did meet while I was on the streets and hearing their stories, you know, yeah, it impacted me a lot. And I think there was a lot of my, you know, my heart and my fears and the things that I care about were probably on display for a lot of people. So, you know, I'm like I said, I'm nervous. I'm not used to being, I guess, so vulnerable and in such a large audience. So, anyway, it's just some of the thoughts going through my head. Like I said, you know, I'm going to get to see it same time everyone else is going to get to see it tonight. You know, and I hope it makes the kind of difference that I hoped it would, especially considering, you know, how difficult it was. So yeah, guys, that's about it from me. Kind of just wanted to talk it out. Hope you guys are going to watch tonight. And you know, I hope particularly the people that I value and love and care about are proud of the work that I did, and, you know, hopefully this can go a long way to changing people's perceptions about homelessness. And, you know, I'd really like it for it to impact some of the leaders as well of our country, and you know, we change the way that we approach it as an issue. All right, guys, well, that's it for me. I'm going to keep walking and clearing my head, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.